It's really coming down out there, isn't it? How are you doing, Mike? Good. Do you mind if I sit here on the couch with you? Alright. Hold on to your things. There we are. I didn't jostle you about too much, did I? Alright. I realize that it's raining quite a bit out there, but I hope you're still able to keep busy and not let it get you down too much. Good. What have you been up to then? Really? Very nice. Can I ask you something, buddy? Well, couldn't help but notice that you've been, well, maybe I'm wrong, but it certainly does look like you're avoiding eye contact with me. Is everything okay between us? Hey, Mike, it's alright. Take your time. I'm listening. Is that it? Mike. Hey. That's nothing to be ashamed of, buddy. Look, I think it's only natural. I'm so big. You're so small. It makes sense why you'd be curious what my insides look like. Hey, if you want to find out what it's like to be my food, well, who am I to decline such a genuine request? No, come on, bud. I don't mind. Not even a little bit. No, it's true. If you want, it's not like I'm doing much right now. I'd be happy to take my tiny roommate and show him what my belly's like. If that's something that would interest you, of course. All right. Well, tell you what. How about I take this? It's just a bit of thread I have on hand. I was needing to repair a shirt of mine. It had a bit of a hole in it, but it's one of my favorites. And, well, I didn't need all that much, so I don't mind if I just... Do you mind if I wrap this around you, bud? All right. Well, then, let me go ahead and fashion this into a harness for you, just to make sure that once you're delving into my belly, you won't have to worry about being in any danger. Well, I have full faith in the ability to cough you back up if need be, but it's better safe than sorry. For someone as precious to me as you, there we go. You are worth taking every precaution. Well, count yourself lucky I don't do this for all of my food. Oh. Well, are you ready to delve inside? Because I am certainly excited to show you what it's like in there. All right. I'm going to gently lower you down into my mouth. And then I'm going to carefully swallow you. And then you'll be on the trip down into my belly. Does that sound alright to you? Alright, bud. Well, then, let's not waste any more time. There you go. Just relax, Mike. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. Do you feel nice and comfortable in there? Well, good. I think I'll probably keep you in there for a little while if you don't mind. I would very much like to relax with you like this. Well, there's no reason to speed through it. Just because you have one look at what the inside of my belly's like doesn't mean you can't have a few more. Only if you like it, of course. Do you like it? Alright, good. I must admit I was a little bit worried. Oh, well. You know, first time letting you experience the inside of my stomach could be a bit claustrophobic for you. You're small, but you're not that small. Well, I suppose that's true. And I'm very glad that you have the capacity to relax in there. I'm glad it's so cozy for you. Really, I am. It's quite cozy for me, too, if I'm honest. I'm being genuine. There's something very comforting about knowing I have you so close to me. It's relaxing knowing that someone so dear to me is being kept so safe by my stomach. I'm sure the weather doesn't do anything to dissuade that notion. It being so rainy and wet and cold outside. It's nice knowing that I'm keeping you safe and warm within me. Well, I'm glad we feel the same then. Sorry, did I shake you about in there too much? Alright. My apologies, I was getting comfortable and didn't think that you might get all jostled about. Yes, well, you're quite the resilient fellow. Just relax. I've got you. No. Please, bud, it's fine. I don't mind you being in there. I mean it. Take all the time you'd like. I'm not going anywhere. Well, then feel free to stay all evening. If you'd like, of course. No pressure. Just to make sure as well, you're not experiencing any discomfort. No stomach walls squeezing in on you. No. Alright. I had to make sure. Well, I want to make sure that before anything goes awry, we have it dealt with. No, your comfort is most important to me. No, I'm alright. Just a little bit tired. But that certainly won't stop me from keeping you aside of me. You clearly are enjoying yourself. Why would I let you out? Well, let you out, I suppose, isn't the right word. Why would I make you get out? You can have out any time you like, but if you don't want out, you don't need to get out. You're such a sweetheart. It's nice to know that you care about me as much as I care about you. Not that that was ever in question. Yes, well, just relax. Nothing you have to do right now but relax. I'm glad you've been enjoying this. It's not every day that I get to experience this, certainly not with someone like you. Well, it's a good thing we have each other then. It's a good thing I have you to be such a sweet meal, and you have me to be, well, me. Well, thank you. While you're in there, do you mind if I do a bit of light reading? I do something a little bit more involved, but I worry that would come with putting you at risk if I can't hear you. But reading's a good alternative. Keeps my ears sharp for my tiny roommate. Alright. Do you want me to read out loud, or should I just keep it to myself? Alright. Well, if you change your mind, just let me know. Alright. There we are.